Before your event begins, it's important to export the latest version of your safety documents. This ensures you have a local, offline copy, critical if the mobile network or Wi-Fi connection fails during your event. In this video, we'll show you how to export key sections of your safety file from Safety Docs, whether you're using a desktop, mobile browser, or the mobile app. If you're using Safety Docs on desktop, first make sure you're logged in and have the appropriate permissions. To export, navigate to the page, chapter, or full event plan you wish to download. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Actions panel. If you're on a smaller screen, this may appear on the left. Click Export and a list of available formats will appear. HTML file. A contained HTML file with embedded images. This opens in your browser and provides the most accurate visual version of your document. PDF file. A PDF version suitable for printing or emailing. Note that some formatting may vary slightly compared to what you see on screen. Plain text file. A text file with raw text only, useful for archiving or minimal formatting needs. Markdown file. A .md file that uses Markdown formatting. If your page was created using the Markdown editor, the original content will be preserved. Otherwise, it will attempt conversion and may contain some HTML. Portable zip archive. A zip file containing your page data, attachments, and images. This format can be re-imported into another Safety Docs instance if needed, useful for developers or advanced users. You can also use your browser's Print to PDF option as a fallback to save a visual copy. Now let's cover exporting from mobile. If you're using the mobile app or a browser on your phone or tablet, tap the Info tab while viewing the document or event plan. Tap the Export button. Choose your preferred format. PDF is ideal for most users. Once the file opens, tap the Share icon, then choose Save to Files or download it to your device. And just like that, you've saved a copy of your event safety documents offline. Export your documents the day before the event, once all final checks are complete. That way, your team will have the most up-to-date version, even if you're in a remote area or lose connection. For developers, Safety Docs also supports exporting via the REST API. This enables automated backup, integration with your internal systems, or export-focused workflows. Full documentation is available upon request. Safety Docs. Create, sync, share, comply.